God, I got a machete.
Hold still, Carol.
Oh, thank you. Could have used you a minute ago.
We're getting halfway in there. Carol turns and goes, probably snakes in there. Probably wasn't a good idea. What?
You see her?
Why, you been on gator hunting?
Guys, come straight through here. I guess it's clear.
Yeah, Whitney cleared it. Oh, Max.
Max! Hi, buddy.
Hi, beautiful, handsome boy.
You come to get us? Come on, Max. Let's go.
Come on, Max.
Where are you?
You literally cut half.
Through the deep water. Thanks. Really? You ladies look awesome. Are you kidding?
Thanks a lot. What?
Are you kidding me?
What?
There was no water when we crossed the
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
It was not even water.
Oh,
I didn't
my
know
God.
that.
We thought you were all crazy going through water.
No.
There was no water where
I didn't
Carol and
know
I
that.
ran across.
We thought the whole thing.
Yeah, we thought it was a river.
We thought the whole thing was full of water.
Can you hold that for a second?
Here. We thought the whole thing was full of water. I'm sorry.
Stop somewhere in the field.
I got it.